Spice a go come out and she disrespect Mavado. Honestly, I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words, you know. I try understand. And it look like them did rehearse it. It look like a Da Vinci alone never know say it rehearse. Cause me no see the world boss complain or nothing. We have to go get one of them scientists there from NASA or one of them space project people there to investigate what happened with Nuffy. But that's one of the weirdest things I've ever seen. Red Bull clash. Well, Red Bull clash, I'm glad say the Jamaican team win. Spice. Grace Hamilton. That's what she name her, this Graceful Hamilton. Anything what she name.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. A minute up on the beat, and as you can see on the screen, Dancehall King Beenie Man team is, I don't want to say giving it to Dancehall King Vybz KarteL, because that's kind of thrown away, you know. You see what I say? But you can say them a turn up the heat upon the Freedom Street King. You see it? Put in the comment section what you think about that, because we all know the Kartel is not the greatest performer. You know what I mean? So no, them trying to push blame upon MC Nuffy for the performance, but they don't want to come out straightforward and say the man can't perform. You know what I mean? Put in the comment section what you think about that, because the only thing them not chat about is the man ticket prices and the people them is paying to see it. You know what I mean? Regardless of performance. You know what I mean? And you already know the things that Aisha did up on stage. So, you know, him I go give him a lot to talk. You see what I say? And you know, Kamar do the talking yesterday. So that's why I say Beenie Man team is critiquing Vybz KarteL. So let's hear what I go on for now to go on, and then we'll proceed with the next.
We have to go get one of them scientists there from NASA or one of them space project people there to investigate what happened with Nuffy. Cause Da Vinci sing the chorus and I see the man just push a Da Vinci and say, die, 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 die. Don't, die, 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 die. But me don't know if a Chinese, Japanese, me don't know which language. Me don't know if a Gaza new language that I want. Me don't know. I don't know. Basilarific, big. I don't know. Honestly, I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words, you know. I try understand. And it look like them did rehearse it. It look like a Da Vinci alone never know say it rehearse. Cause me no see the world boss complain or nothing. A Da Vinci alone look surprised like him. I wonder what go on. And what is? But teacher look alright with it. Chrome look alright with it. Everybody else look alright with it. So it look like it rehearsed or something. I don't know. But that's one of the weirdest things I've ever seen. If anybody, whether you're Gaza fans or you're not Gaza fans, and you said that shit wasn't weird, you're lied. Anybody said that never weird, you're lied. You're not talk the truth. Lied. The weirdest all know. Alright, big man thing. Nobody in the business with the show, you know. Nobody in the business with the show. Everybody just a wonder, what the hell was Nuffy on? That's all everybody I wonder. Nobody not care about nobody will perform. Nobody not care if the show ram or if it empty. None of that. The whole world just a wonder, what happened to Nuffy that night in Tortola? That's it. Boy, I mean, I think of the show alone, Nuffy take the moment. It was a psychedelic moment. It was a under the influence moment. It was a what is happening kind of moment. It was a what is this? Mystical Dimples as well, me I say, look like them rehearse it. But it look like a Da Vinci alone don't know about a rehearsal there. You understand? I like a Da Vinci alone don't know about a rehearsal there. Me I tell you the truth. And the man I do it right when Da Vinci if he sing it, make me I wonder if a planting or what. Me don't know how I go on. Somebody says Sketta said it sound good. Remember how Sketta thing going on? After every fuck up at every show, Sketta always come out with an explanation when it make no sense. Only just get used to that now. I know it's a Sketta thing. You understand? From something mess up going, Sketta just come give an excuse. He don't care if it makes sense, nah, nothing at all. He just a give an excuse. So we're used to that now.
As I said, people, we all know KarteL wasn't a top performer before him go. You know, jail, listen man I say. So obviously when he come out, he's not going to be what? You know what I mean? And plus, you know, he's operating at 50%. Listen man I say. And we really look away if them come out and I disrespect them man because of him Graves thing. You see it? You know what I mean? So that's why they're shifting the blame on MC Nuffy. But I'm going to be honest with you. The promoter is not complaining. The tickets them sell off, you see what I'm saying? And I doubt them for talk about, you see it? Anyway, let's hear what he has to say about Dancehall Queen Spice because honestly, me never know that kind of play the God on. You know what I mean? And he's trying to say that she is the biggest sellout in other cultures, so she don't have no right for push talk upon other people, you see it?
You see me? General, check on the thing now. Ask for Annie here. Yeah. Yeah, so as I say, that was crazy. I don't have much to say about the show because I never did it. So I don't know. I just see few little piece of video clip in piece and piece. I don't even watch the live stream now. You see me? I just want to know say my artist, your phone drop there. I just want to know say my artist on the show, him do him thing and him go on good. Big up Da Vinci. You see me? I don't know about the rest of the show. I don't even know all our book feet or who na book feet. I just know say Da Vinci go on in a segment and me alright with that. You understand? Yeah. So, I this or that day. What else do you want me to talk about? Come in and remember something to talk about, you know. Because from the day I give them a break, me and my father go and trample the road and, you know, spend like a father-son time, you know. It's a parent's moment. You understand? It's a father and son moment. So, and that really a go on. Red Bull clash. Well, Red Bull clash, I'm glad say the Jamaican team win. As usual, we're always rooting for Jamaica anyway, check it. How it go. We always want Jamaica for win. Zin? One thing me see in the space where me not like. Spice. Grace Hamilton. That's what she name her, this Graceful Hamilton. Anything what she name. For somebody who's so sensitive when people talk about her in any form of way where she not like. Oh, she's so easy for disrespect people. She the first one to always come out and talk about woman empowerment. She the first one to always come out come talk about who she black. She the one who always come say people bad mind her and people grudge her. And that's why them said this and said that. But she always quick for disrespect other people. My problem with the Red Bull Clash thing was there. Spice I got come out and she disrespect Mavado. People remember, for clarification, me and Mavado are a friend. So this has nothing to do with friendship. She disrespect Busy Signal too. Over some dub plate thing. Now my thing is this. If you have Team Jamaica, which was Spice Army, the big question is, Spice, did you call Mavado and ask him to be a part of Spice Army? Yes or no? Now, if the answer is no, if the next team reach out to Mavado and pay him to come make an appearance for feed them team, oh, you go vex. Oh, you go vex for that. Remember, you know, if Team Jamaica na call you, but one next team a call you and a pay you, remember Mavado a big artist. So for them call him and him fly from over here, go over the money spent. Because them man they love money. Them man in a job catch and them man they love money. So me sure and a free Mavado go over there for. So oh you go come out and blatantly disrespect the man's up on the mic. Over a business where you would have do worse than that. And Uno never call him. Then if me are the fastest man in a run in the world and Jamaica no call me for them team, and one different country call me and say come put your talent to use, we are pay you up on top of it. Eh? Tell me now. Next thing again, dub plate. If the man them pay a Busy Signal for do a dub plate, oh you fear cost Busy Signal? Oh you for cost Busy Signal? Become the dub plate for the next one. And I talk about you a different culture. Grace Hamilton, Spice. You can't pick and choose when to defend the culture. You can't pick and choose when to be morally correct for the culture. Spice, are you go to LGBTQ show and never care about the culture? Spice, disgraceful Hamilton, remember say I saw me name here. Are you go do LGBTQIEFGHIJKLMNOP show and never care about the culture, you don't go business about the money? So oh no, you're so culture based. Oh no, you're so culture orientated. Who you try trick? Who you try trick? Don't think we forgot, Spice. Remember me warn you and you never listen. Me did tell you, at least Mavado come pop up like a surprise. Me did warn you and tell you, I said don't go to the show. Do not do that to the culture. Don't carry entertainment, go put in a toilet. You never listen. You trace and go on and cuss me like dog. And me still never wicked. Me pray and beg the ancestor them for don't touch your children them. And them clot and ram you in your gut.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. Like I said, you know, cartel is going to be a hot topic forever. You see my say. But as you can see, everybody has sat, I don't want to say comfy him. You know what I mean? Because they're not talking about the money. You know what I mean? But anyway, people, I'm not going to go on this any longer. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest stuff. Bless.